My Chinese hand plane came with a chip breaker, but it doesn't work. Can I fix it? So there's the Chinese plane on the bench. Between my mallet and the smoothie, who is incidentally sponsoring this video. Might as well do the sponsor bit right now. Drink smoothies, they taste good. Okay, sponsor bit over. Some of you are possibly wondering what a chip breaker is. So did I. Seriously, I had to look it up on the internet. In a nutshell, it attaches to the plane blade and stops it from gouging the wood. I've never used one before. For it to work though, it needs to be sharp and flat. First though, I need to secure my sharpening plates to a bit of old furniture. I forgot I had the heater on, and combined with the miter saw starting, I remembered to switch off the heater. So the plates are 400, 800 and 1500. I'm making some marks on the board so I can quickly set up the chisel honing guide. They're 30, 40 and 50 millimeters. So I don't want to fix these plates permanently, so I'm going to use some painter's tape and super glue. Should work for now. Now to fix the chip breaker. Remember earlier I said that the chip breaker needed to be flat? Well, you could run a truck through this gap. First I'm going to flatten the face of the chip breaker that meets the blade. I'd show you the results, but when I was checking the gap I magnificently didn't press record. So now I'm flattening the back of the blade. I'm using a steel rule just to keep the back of the blade slightly higher than the front. And I actually wondered if I'd made it worse. Using the same trick as I did with the diamond plates, bit of double-sided sticky tape, put a block on it, gives me something to hold on to, whilst I try and flatten this blade.
One eternity later.
Look, I didn't manage to fix the chip breaker, and if anybody's watching has any tips, please leave them below. I'm sorry that this doesn't have a happy ending like many a massage. I may have another go at getting this to work. If I do, I will record it, and do a short video just to show that it does work. But maybe the plane really is very poorly made, and I was never going to get it working with a chip breaker. But as a plane without the chip breaker, it works really well, and I'll be using it often.